with the society for a couple of years, and in 2012 it was their 40th anniversary, and so they said, it's your job to have a party for our 40th anniversary. And being the overachiever, keen, ambitious person I happen to be, I was like, okay, here's what we can do. So I divided it into 3 sections. I thought past, present, and future. So for the past, we worked with the Maple Ridge Museum and had a display about Ridge Meadows Recycling's history and how it evolved from there. The present was going to be a big celebration that I tied in with Earth Day, and the future was a big 40 under 40 search for up and coming environmental activists. So Earth Day had always been an event that has happened in Maple Ridge since 1970, I think, when the first Earth Day happened in Victoria, and we've always celebrated it in some way. But it had grown to be kind of a smaller event, and it was kind of attracting people who were very dedicated environmentalists, but not many other people. It was kind of the same group of people, and preaching to the converted. So I thought, well, if I'm going to have a party, I'm going to try and make it as attractive to everybody as I can. So we had a budget that year, so I was able to get a lot of entertainment in. I drew from my past experience being an entertainment manager in Vancouver, got a lot of really cool comedy acts in and roving performers. We got music acts in. Basically anything I could think of that would be fun to have at an event, I brought in. So we had a whole cage and pen full of wildfowl and birds at the event. We started a lot of different initiatives at that one. This was in 2012. We'd started the Cycle Recycle with Hub. So we have a lot of bikes that are dropped off at the depot, and a lot of them are in really good shape. And I hate just knowing that they're going for scrap metal. So we worked with Hub to fix those bikes up, and we gave them away in a raffle draw. So that was really exciting to be able to, fulfill both of our mandates. They got bikes into the hands of people and out on the roads on that day. And we kept things out of the landfill and out of, trash. So that was one that we tried out that year. Another was the Family Free Cycle that we tried out that year. And we gathered a bunch of gently used books, toys, and clothing from the community before, and we gave it all away on Earth Day. So we had volunteers who would sort it into different size clothing, books, kids' toys, and people could just go in there and take what they wanted. We've added elements of a poetry and photo contest. We've had electric vehicle displays since the very beginning. We have food truck festivals. We added our repair cafes once we started them off, and working with the farmers market, because that was kind of the core event that was always happening, and building the rest of the park around it has been really rewarding and fulfilling. Also bringing artists in and seeing how much art we can bring into the event as well, which I think is a draw for people who don't necessarily consider themselves environmentalists. So that's our goal, is to make everybody realize if you like clean water, healthy food, and fresh air, you are in fact an environmentalist.